Pretty rocky. Getting bounced around, so got good traction though. good news. I'm gonna need new brakes after this. Woo! I need to give my wrist a break. I've got all this downward momentum and it's all just on my wrists. Is this thing still recording? Cool, full battery. There's Cove Road. Then I can go home. Don't want the other half to worry about me too bad. I think I might go for some speed right there. Oh shit, 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 shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!